Guys, good evening, guys. Right, so this Taramp HD 3000 on the table, coming in with this here smoke up, guys. This burnt to the crypts, those 10 ohm resistor and those capacitor right there. Oh yeah, those are, yeah, guys, a close up of it. No, right there, toasted. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in view right here, guys. Yep, I'm a really bright light here. So this, well, I don't know if it's okay you guys are seeing it, but yeah. So first I'm gonna start with there. First, let me give you this little test with the outputs. Output seems to be working. That one is good. That one is also good. Yep, output seems to be okay. Seems the problem is right there. So let's go ahead and take this thing apart. Right. I could be using the drill, but why this? I thought this was. I don't want to make too much noise. So. Right. Guys, give me a minute while I take this amplifier apart. Okay, guys, sort of the chassis now. So now, we focus this camera. See, you guys can see more perfectly. Hope you guys are seeing clearly. Alright. Okay, the silicone, this fan. Oh man, that broke off the fan. I'm gonna have to replace this fan anyway. It was really dirty. Yeah, I need to replace it anyway. So what you guys can see, it's dusty. So you guys, we don't work on dirty amplifier. Well, I'm pretty sure the inductor coil is good. Yeah, I'm gonna wash it anyway. Just these caps, I'm gonna have to replace all 1, 2, 3, 4 caps. Man, that's a lot. 5 caps, guys. So one is one here. This one is one UF 250 volts. This one is a 1 UF 400 volts. And also here you have 1 UF 250 volts. All these three can also be 400 volts if you don't have the 250 volts. Which maybe that's what I do. Maybe. And this is the 1 ohm version of the 3K. Right here on the board it tells you. And then here you have 47K 250 volts. So what I'm going to do here, maybe Savage, maybe that's what I'm not pretty sure what I'm going to do as yet with these, but see, this other one is working perfectly. To remove this one here, sometime I don't have to. Yeah, they burnt. I'm gonna remove them. Alright, let's go ahead and start. Remove these burned caps. Not because they are like this. Sometimes they're not bad, but burn like that, nah. I replaced them. I see a lot. I got fire before. It's like that. and they don't remove the cap. Sometimes they don't have it, you know. So some people just, you know, go the easier way. I go the cheaper way, I should say, because I'm pretty sure if you test them, they work. You know, they read, they give it the right value because they didn't burn right through. But this, yeah, this one looks really bad. So, yeah, there's no doubt about it. I'm gonna replace this for sure. Yeah, and this side you could see this was melting. The solder was melting from here. You could see this goes to a lot of stress right here. Something was pulling a lot of amperage, whatever they have on it. I think the guy said he was using it to play some subs. 212s. I don't remember 212s what he said he was playing, but yeah, I think that was too much, right? Honestly. Honestly. Dep- Depending on how they were playing them, because I know these people they're really hearing further. Oh yeah, when they say they play, they play them. Like they abuse them. And that's what I really hate. And they abuse them so much. When you get them to repair, yeah. Sometimes you get them back in a couple of weeks. And they know what they've been doing it to it, you know. But I always tell them, hey, that's too much for this little amplifier. And you know what they always say to me? They know, but you know, oh no man, but it plays good, you know, and stuff like that. Come on. Just don't pressure the amplifier. My bigger amplifier. Yeah. With these amplifiers, I tell people, yeah, it will play the sub. Guys, it will play. But like over a long period of time, yeah. When it start eating up, man, that heat thing gets so hot you can't even touch it sometimes. And that little fan can't cool it that fast. You know? But some people, that's why I say, you know, they really abuse them. Because they play and they play good. When they're playing, it's not like it's stressing to play, it's playing. And then bam, it goes out. But you know, wow. So this bit is heck. This is another one, guys. And this one is one of the one UF 250 volts. This other one on the side is one UF 250 volts also. It uses two of these, and they kind of sandwich the one here, which is the one UF at 400 volts. And then you have these resistors here now. Oh my words. Oh man, these are burnt ash. These are 10 ohm resistors, guys. That's right here. Oh, yeah. 10 ohms. 10 ohms. Alright. Let me start on the tip of my solder iron and freshen it a little. So, yeah, freshen it. This guys, as you can see, is burnt to ash. It's burnt out. Right. And these two little caps over here, freshen them. pushing this out a little, guys. That's the easy way to take out these two-sided, sometimes double-sided board parts. Let's see. Alright, that comes apart. This one is like this, guys. And the other one is like this. And the board look like that. That's burnt out. So wash it with some. I have a piece of tissue just now. You guys can use cotton. I normally have my brush I use there. Wipe the inductor coil too, so yeah, let's see it. Guys, now you can see, yep, pretty enough, much look 10 times better than it was before. You see on the board it printed telling you it's a 10 ohm resistor that goes there. So for now, I'm gonna wash it some more and then I'll get back to you guys, get some parts together and get back to you, okay guys? So okay guys, so this one, which is the 1UF 400 volts, I'm gonna use this type capacitor, and you can see the value on it to replace it. I don't know if you guys see it clearly because I have a thing here, bright light. And this one says 400 volts 105J. So this is what you use to substitute it. If you guys don't have the one, I could also use 3 of these instead, because I don't think you really get 400 volts coming up here at no time. But you know, we use this to substitute it. So make sure this is seated down so you don't have any leakage. I mean, I like to sit capacitors down, you know, so prevent arcing and stuff like that. Let me show you. These are new. These are new. These are the 47K 250 volts. These are the smaller ones that goes over this time. Alright, so while I go, it's the ride and whistle. So this one, and these are the 250 volts 1UF. Alright, let's sit flat. Yeah, that one sit flat. So what I do, guys, I bend the pin so you don't fall back through the circuit board. I just give it gently, give it a little bend. And sometimes what you can do is just pull the pin out wide apart and then make a little spring like so it stays in. So alright, so this one is going to give me a little bit of a problem, I think, here to sit flat because this one is in the way. Alright. So this one is in a little tight spot here. Which in really. So let me see what I can remove this just to see some. Right, so I remove that. I'm gonna install this one here. Maybe I use 4, guys. So maybe I use 3 of these instead, and don't use that one. Cause that says 400 volts, guys, but you don't get 400 volts up here at no time. You know? I don't know why they put 400 volts. Okay, I don't 400 volts here. 400 volts at 1 UF. Now let me get one more of these. 270. So what it says, so I'm gonna use one of these 270. Right here where it says 1 UF 400 volts. This is 1 UF at 270. Volts. 1 UF 270 volts. Get some of this silicone from here so I have more space. Always make sure the capacitor is seated really flat onto the circuit, guys. So prevent anything from going between it. That will also make it arc and stuff like that. Look at that, guys. Man, fit perfectly between there like a gloves. Man. Nice. Very nice. Look at that, guys. See? It fit perfectly right between flatted, seated down properly. I'm gonna put in these little ones right here now. These little guys. What I didn't. Alright. This one. And that's, I think one of them is going to be a little trouble. If I'm not wrong. I'm pretty sure. Always one that you, yeah. So. This. Let's put one leg. One leg on the other side. That's it. And then solid. As I said, wiggle it a little so it seep through to the other side, and that's the other side of the circuit board. Alright, make sure this nice and clean. Oh, 10 ohm resistor, guys. Alright, let's go get some 10 ohm resistor right now. Guys, 10 ohm resistor. And these are 5 watts. These are some big ones, guys. You guys can see brown, black, black, like 10 ohms. What I do, I use this big one because those little ones go through a lot of stress, and that's why they burnt out like that. Even though the amplifier goes on a lot of stress, but I always put these in it. These are big, so I bend the pin, bend the pins inward. Wow, guys, hold on, let me give this focus on more of this. What I do, bend them in, then bend out. So this can go right between here. That one is going to give me a bit of a little trouble. And these guys, I don't make them go straight down to touch. I don't let them go straight down, guys, to touch the cap. I keep them above. The cap this time. I don't install them. So when they eat, it dissipates through the circuit, not between the caps, and eat them up as well. So yeah, it's a little safe little way of doing it. That's all I do it just to make sure when they eat up, they don't eat up the cap as well. So eat up the cap, the capacitor, guys. I'm saying. If I don't say it properly, guys, you guys know what I'm talking about. So here now, one of these, this is not properly cleaned out. So let's, yeah, here, that should be it. Yeah, that's it. Alright, 10 ohm resistor, guys, installing. Why is this pin not lining up? Wow, nice. Like that. Like that. And bend this like right there. And see, yep. Sit it down right there. So I'm going to give it some more testing, guys, and you guys could see. Hoping this one wasn't that. It'll take me longer than this. So check behind these, make sure you don't have any cut. No traces cut. I like to cut these pins off. I didn't discharge the cap when I'm doing this. Going across, cutting it. Yeah, guys, I like to cut the pointy stuff off. Wow, look at this. Look at this, guys. And I normally find these in Taramps. I don't know why. Stuff like that. I don't know if they don't properly solder their stuff, or they seem to solder properly, but I don't know why some loose solder and some strip of copper wire always inside the set. I know that solder wasn't on me, so alright. Alright, so here it's kind of dirty somehow. We have these. Oh, and here's because of the fan. Right? Oh, I'm supposed to install a new fan to guys. Guys, remember me to install a fan. That was a joke, guys. It's not a live stream, so you guys can't do that. Oh man. Right. Let's remove the whole piece of wire. You guys can see now. That's what it look like. Right across, that's what it look like. From this side, that's how it looks. Right, guys. So that's a repair of that output section of it for the speaker terminal. Inductor coil looks fine. Here looks fine. Alright, I'm gonna give it a run through, guys, and then I'll get back to you, okay? And then you guys can see the bench test. Give me a minute. Okay, guys, so time to do a little bench test. So I'm going to see. I hook it up. I didn't test it as yet, guys. So but let's just see and keep our fingers crossed. You guys cross your fingers for me because I can't cross mine. So let's see if all goes well. I didn't find any more bad parts or anything in this amplifier, so I figured out more or less. So when it happened like this before a lot of time, there's nothing else that's wrong with it, just that area. Yeah, this amplifier, the protection circuit is really good for most part, you know. So for most part, yeah. Yep. So let's just see now. Everything looks okay. Alright, we pour it up and let's see. Alright, guys, fan is on. That little blue light there is on. It's running cool. So I'm gonna find a non-copyright move. Yeah, I have one here. Where is it? Let me go find this. Non-copyright. Where was that again? Right here. Remember, guys, this is not in the chassis. I can't really too long. Can't play too long. These will get too hot. So. Testing speaker right there. Same old testing speaker. I'll show you parts that I replaced. So that's it for this bench test. As you guys can see, maybe you see that the lighting is different because I turned on that bright light that I was on before when I was repairing it. So I'll see which one looks better, and then, you know, I'll move on from it. But as I see, guys, these are the parts that I replaced. Let me put them in the picture right here. Yeah, these are the parts and the gravy. Those 10 ohm resistors, and that's about it right there, guys. So please give me a thumbs up, guys, if you like what you see, and that's it for now. I'm gonna put it in chassis and call the customer to come pick it up. I have two of them, guys. I have, and I got to repair. So the other one, I did repair it. That was a long story. The other one, yeah, I couldn't make a video of it. The other one that I did, guys, I couldn't make a video. But let me go. Let me show you something, guys, real quick in this video. So this was the one I repaired earlier, and I was doing it. So what I did with that one, I replaced the output MOSFET here. They were burned. Two of them was burned, like these two here, down to near to the recovery diodes. And I also replace this MOSFET driver IC, and I replace this diode, and this is diode that will be the, let me make sure I tell you what I replace in that amplifier, guys. This D10 diode, and I replace also this R47 resistor right here. And then we have another diode in the middle of the circuit here, which is a 15 volt diode same, and that's a D2. I replace that in that amplifier. And also, let's see what else I replace. What else? I replace some, let me see. In that amplifier I also replace yeah, I said that, not that. Yeah, and that's about it, guys. And there was a little problem I have when I was playing it. I pour it on, and the amplifier keep going into protection mode. Only to notice, guys, I did something wrong here, which is right here. You have this diode right here. It says, so Zen is a 15 volt Zen. It's a DZ11, and this cap right here said C82. Right here, between here, they were touching. They were shorting out, and that caused these two to keep blowing out. And I was wondering what the hell was going on. But I didn't make a mistake right here. I thought they locked together. They weren't. So when I look on this side, I said, nah, man, I made that mistake. So yeah, but it's up and running, and you know, everything, that one. So everything is good, guys. So put this in the chassis, and I told you, you call the customer to come for it. And if you like what you see, guys, please give me a thumbs up. And yes, guys, that would be it for now. And alright, guys, so have a good one. So Carty and Carty out for now, guys, and I really appreciate you guys watching my video. So if you like what you see, I said, give me a thumbs up, and there's a lot more to come, a lot more in store. Okay, guys, no respect.